book of optical illusions. Sexy lady.
What?
Man.
What?
It's a book of optical illusions.
I don't get that. What?
Optical illusions.
Here.
The big one. Then we'll do. Oh yeah, this one's already open.
You're done with it.
This one's my last one.
No, I